Okay, so this is the continuation of the previous video. Um, right now, the first thing I probably want to do is make sure I get to see things nicely. I'm going to start by going to the control panel and changing the settings for um, the way the operating system appears. This is the new um, look. I'm more familiar with the classical look, so I'm just going to switch that. You can toggle back from this look to the classical look. So here's the classical way it looked. Basically, this is just the old way that they arranged it. And you switch back by category. That's the new way. So what I want to do is go to the display icon and then select setting and then change it to the recommended setting that my monitor is asking for. This is all the settings that you have. So this is the one that my monitor is asking for. So once you think it's good for you, just click yes to confirm. You can also change some of the settings you like. Like for example, you want to change this. After I apply this, you can see that the color, they'll give you an example of how it looks. I'll apply. Then there's some other advanced features here. It doesn't affect much. It's just about preference. So don't worry too much about this one here. So let's say, for example, you want to show my document and my computer and all the features that you like on the desktop. You can do that. So once you click OK, I'll show you. They added these icons for you. So the next few things that you need to do is probably make sure you can all your hardware is installed correctly and properly configured so that you can see maybe all your other computers in the house or connect to the internet. So what you do is you go back to control panel. Okay, so once you're in control panel, what you want to do is you want to go check out system, check out all your device to make sure, hardware device to make sure they're installed properly. So as you can see here, everything looks good. If one of the device, let's say for example your USB controllers, if they are not properly installed with the right driver and everything, you will probably see it spread out like this, and they'll probably show you a yellow or X, maybe a USB icon with an X or with a yellow sign saying that there's something wrong with it. And since there's nothing here, I can't really show you. If there is, what you can do is you can right click on the device and go. You could probably select it from here with update drivers and all that stuff too, or you can go to property where you can see everything. And this one shows you that all your device is working properly. If not, you can click on troubleshoot and it'll guide you to troubleshooting it. And you can try all sorts of different things also, like when you go to the driver tab, you can update the driver, and once it's connected to the internet, it will search for the driver for you and install the device that is not working. And some of the new device that you install may not have the drivers online. It might come with the manufacturer driver. Usually in the CD nowadays, you can put that in and update your driver through there, and your device should be working. So from the look at this, all our devices are working properly, and we're pretty much set to go to use the computer. Okay, to see if your internet is connected, you can press use a browser, whether it's Internet Explorer or Firefox or Google Chrome. I happen to like Firefox, so I'm using that right now. And as you can see, it connected to Google. If you want to go to Yahoo, let's say for example, type in the URL. And it takes you to Yahoo. So with that, the basics at least is all configured correctly. You can also add devices you want later. So there you have it. This is how you install the operating system and make sure all the hardware is working properly.